Hi, I'm really proud of all the hard work that everyone's been doing this week. It takes perseverance to work through different math problems, and I know that a lot of you have been working hard to figure out the different equations with the pictures. I also appreciate people who have showed up to the Zoom sessions and taken risks by sharing answers and thinking aloud with other students. I hope to see you on Wednesday at 10:30 for our next Zoom session. Let's do some math. For those of you who celebrate Cinco de Mayo, I hope that you had a good Cinco de Mayo yesterday. Today's May 6th, so we're writing down that date in our notebook. And our title today is Guess the Number. You're going to have a lot of different clues, and you're going to think of what the number is. The cool thing about this warm-up is there's more than one correct answer. So I have 3 clues, and any number that you can think of that fits with these 3 clues works as a possible answer. The first clue is that my number is between 600 and 700. The second clue is that the number that's in the tens digit is 2/3 of the value of the number in the hundreds digit. The third clue is that the sum of all of the digits is 15. So if you add the digits together, then they will all equal to 15. As you can see, there are a lot of possible answers. In fact, this does not even include all of the possible answers, so I'm going to challenge you to think if you can think of any other ones that I did not write down. Let's take a look at these, though, as an example of why they work for the clues. All of the numbers you can see below are between 600 and 700, so let's check. Yep, this is more than 600, less than 700. And I can tell because the number that's in the hundredths place is a 6, and then the numbers after it indicate that it's more than 600, and it's something in the 600, so it's less than 700. So any number that has a 6 in the hundreds place would work for this. The next clue says that the tens digit is 2/3 of the hundreds digit. Okay, well we know that the hundreds digit is a 6. So I'm thinking to myself that I know that I have a 6 in the hundreds digit because it has to be more than 600, less than 700, and then 2 numbers after it so that it's 600 and something. So I'm trying to figure out what this number is. That's where the tens digit is. To figure out what's 2/3 of that, I'm going to think what's 2/3 of 6. So I'm going to make a fraction circle in thirds. If my whole value is 6, then each third is 2. And 2/3, so if I shaded in 2 of these, that'd be 2 and 2, so that'd be 4. So now I know I'm going to have a 6 and then a 4, and then I can have different things after it. So all of these have a 6 and then a 4 in the tens digit because 4 is 2/3 of 6. Okay. The last clue says the sum of all the digits is 15. If I add these together, I have 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 5 is 15. Okay, that works. 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 3 is 13, plus 2 more is 15. 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 0 is still 10, plus 5 is 15. 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 2 is 12, plus 3 is 15. 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 1 more is 11, plus a 4 is 15. So you can see that I started to get a little bit creative by including different decimal points, so I could think of more answers that all would still have a sum of 15 for all of the digits. What other answers can you think of that fit the clues that I provided? Now it's time for your checkpoint. Listen to the clues and come up with a number. The first clue is it's between 8,500 and 8,800. Second clue, when multiplied by 8, the result is a whole number. Clue number 3, the digit in the hundreds place is 3/4 of the digit in the thousands place. Clue 4, the sum of all digits is the number is 26. Clue number 5, the digit in the hundreds place is twice as much as the digit in the tens place. Clue number 6, there are no zeros in the decimal places. What's your number? Go back and rewind this video to see the clues again and double check your work. Bye everyone, I miss you all. Keep up the awesome work.